Expressions quiz moods. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about our own or another person's moods. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. My sister's been in seventh heaven ever since she left her husband. A. Very lonely. B. Very happy. C. Very sad. Answer is letter B. In seventh heaven means very happy. Number 2. Andy's been depressed all day. Why doesn't he just snap out of it? A. Change his mood. B. Accept his mood. C. Enjoy his mood. Answer is letter A. Snap out of it means change his mood. Number 3. I was in a bad mood already. So when the cashier was rude to me, I went ballistic. A. Laughed at him. B. Ignored him. C. Became furious. Answer is letter C. Went ballistic means became furious. Number 4. Are little boys in one of those moods when he'll stop at nothing to get what he wants? A. Do anything. B. Do nothing. C. Stop trying. Answer is letter B. Stop at nothing means do nothing. Number 5. Nancy looked as if she didn't have a care in the world. A. Wasn't worried about anything. B. Didn't care about anything. C. Didn't care about the world. Answer is letter A. Wasn't worried about anything. Didn't have a care in the world.